Can you change your Google Play Store country or region? In this video, I'll show you the updated method to switch your Play Store location easily. First, open the Google Play Store app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap on Payment Methods. Now choose More Payment Settings. This will open a web page in your browser. Here, tap on the three-line menu, select Setting, and now select Addresses and More. After that, tap on Add Address. Now you'll see the option to choose your country or region. Select your desired country, then enter the required address information carefully. Once you're done, save the details, and your new country profile will be added to your Google account. Keep in mind that Google may take some time to fully update the Play Store region on your account. And that's it. That's how you can change your Google Play Store country easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more Google Play Store and Android tutorials.